The JLab Epic Air Elite. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Epic Air Elite earbuds. They are a good option for running, working out, and numerous activities. It is another option in the JLab line for those that are seeking a pair of earbuds. The company sent this out for me to review. And as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with your standard user guide and various gel tips and foam tips for fit options. The Epic Air Elite is an upgrade from the original Epic Air. This adds increased battery life, Bluetooth 5.0, Be Aware audio, and custom EQ settings. It has a 6-hour battery life, and the case can provide up to 32 extra hours. It takes about 2 hours to charge the earbuds and 4 hours for the case, with 100 hours of standby. The earbuds are also IP55 rated, so it's protected from sweat and rain. The case has a rubber top and bottom that provides a nice grip. The rest of the body is plastic. The case provides 2600 milliamp hours. The top of the case has a charge indicator. Opening the lid, you'll have access to the earbuds. The LED will also indicate that the earbuds are charging, as you can see here when I remove and put the earbud back in place. You can also check the battery charge of the case when open. Wrapped around the side of the case, it comes with a convenient charging cable. It uses a micro to USB cable. Located on the front, you have the charging port. And to the right of that, you have a USB charge out port, so you are able to charge other devices. The charging cable is easy to use, as you can see here. The case comes in at about 4.5 by 3 by 1 inch. The earbuds are a nice small size, and it comes with the silicone ear hooks that will provide the stability and keep them in your ears during workouts. And there is the interchangeable ear tips. The inner lining of the ear hooks, you will also have the left or right ear indicators. Each of the earbuds will have a button that is for power and pairing. And you can see the other earbud here. Same construction and the button inside. On the outside of each earbud, you have the LED status light and the touch controls, which we'll go over shortly. The case comes in at about 153 grams. And the earbuds come in at about 20 grams. Each earbud has a touch control on the side. The left earbud touch controls are play pause, double tap, volume down, single tap, track back, hold for 1 second, be aware mode, on and off is triple tap. The right earbud touch controls are volume up, single tap, answer, single tap, hang up, double tap, reject the call, press and hold for 2 seconds, Siri or Google, double tap, track forward, press and hold for 1 second, and be aware mode on and off triple tap. Holding down on both earbuds for 3 seconds will give you access to the equalizer. You have the JLab signature, balanced, and bass boost. So here are my final thoughts on the earbuds. This can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. For comfort, I give it a 5. The ear hooks are a good design and it's soft. They are light and you don't notice that you have them on. Overall build quality, I give a 4. And sound, I give it a 4.5. The EQ settings are a plus and it allows you to toggle the sounds depending on your preferences. Lows were just enough for the small earbuds and it provided enough kick. Mids and highs were balanced throughout and very clear. I didn't experience any distortion and volume levels were very good. Testing out while running, the earbuds stayed in place. So I see this as a good option for those that are working out and running. Only downside I see is the case is a little too big for my liking. But overall, this is a good option. I like the long battery life, touch controls, EQ settings, and the IP55 rating. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.